All right, we've got the Tyranitar Tin today. You like that alliteration? What's inside the Tyranitar Tin? We'll find out today. This, I think, is the that was all the alliteration I could come up with in a short period of time, so that's all we get. There's your code card. Check this out, though. This is fun. We got a Larvitar, Pupitar, and Tyranitar. Great set. And in here, we've got Paradox Rift, Obsidian Flames, and Scarlet Violet base set. Which one's first, babe?
Scarlet.
Scarlet Violet base set. The lady has spoken.
I'm a lady.
There's number 2. Oh, we got a Magikarp. If only that was the Paldea Evolved Magikarp, that would be something, wouldn't it? Smoliv, Energy Search, and a Slowbro. That's a pretty dope Slowbro art, actually. Even though it's just a regular. I like that one. Okay, what do we have coming up next? Obsidian Flames or Paradox Rift, babe?
Obsidian Flames.
Obsidian Flames. The Lady of the Lake has spoken.
Of the lake?
Yeah, you know King Arthur?
Like a horror character.
No, it's from King Arthur.
Oh.
The Lady of the Lake is the one that gives him Excalibur.
It's not from the Disney movie.
Yeah, well, the Disney movie isn't 100% accurate.
Wrong.
Oh, another Espeon. Nice. Sharpedo. Brazius. Oh! No way.
Is it a good one?
Oh my gosh. We got full art Pidgeotto.
Oh, that's a good one.
That is a gorgeous
I think
card.
we've seen that online, right?
Yeah, we have. And Palafin. Oh
That's
my
nice.
gosh. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, the Lady of the Lake comes through. That is just a gorgeous card. My goodness. I am stoked. You know, the centering on this actually looks a little bit thinner on this side than this one. But top to bottom, the centering's good. Man, that is a fun card. Oh, that's great. Okay. Paradox Rift coming up next. Can we get another? What do you think, babe? Are we going to get another?
Yeah.
So, the Lady of the Lake has spoken.
Another what?
Another Pokemon card.
Yeah.
No, another special illustration.
Oh.
Oh, I forgot to do our card here. There's our card. There we go. Okay, Honedge. You know, we were just talking about Excalibur. And we just pulled a Honedge, which is a sword.
Cool.
Dweeble, Horsea, Joltik, Crocolar, Tulip. Alright. Alright. Oh. We got a Tinglu. Just a regular Tinglu, but man, would you look at that Pidgeotto. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful card. Now we need the whole set of them.